Good morning, students. Let us start chapter 2 Exponents of Real Numbers for grade 9th. In our previous lecture, we learnt about formulas related to exponents of real numbers and some questions based on those formulas. Today we also solved some questions based on the formulas of exponent and real numbers. So our first question is, for any positive real number x, find the value of x power a upon x to the power b to the whole power a plus b into x power b upon x power c to the whole power b plus c into x power c upon x to the power a to the whole power c plus a. So let us see how to solve this question. So write the question very first. X to the power a upon x to the power b to the whole power a plus b. Then x to the power b upon x to the power c to the whole power b plus c. Then x to the power c upon x to the power a to the whole power c plus a. Students, you can see it carefully. X and here is also x. It means we have the basis same, and we know if we have the basis same with the sign of division, so this second formula, what it suggests us or tells us, when the bases are same with the sign of division, power should be subtracted. So what we are left with, x to the power a minus b to the whole power a plus b. You can see here we also get the same, x to the power b minus c to the whole power b plus c. Then x to the power c minus a to the whole power c plus a. Now see it carefully. A minus b, a plus b. It is what? It is your identity, a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to what? A square minus b square. So here we are, it is equals to x to the power a square minus b square. Multiply, there is no sign, it means multiply. X to the power b minus c to the whole power b plus c. So what it comes? It is x to the power b square minus c square. Then again multiply, x to the power, we have c minus a into c plus a, which is equals to c square minus a square. So you can see that again we have all the bases are same with the sign of multiplication. So when the bases are same with the sign of multiplication, power should be added. So what we get? We get x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So now try to cancel those which cancel itself. A square plus with minus a square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel itself, minus c square and plus c square cancel itself. So we are left with x to the power 0 and which is equals to 1, which is equals to 1. So students, this is our result. So hope you understand the way. So let us solve question number second. It is also based on your exponents of real numbers. Show that x to the power a square plus b square upon x to the power ab to the whole power a plus b into x to the power b square plus c square upon x to the power bc to the whole power b plus c into x to the power c square plus a square upon x to the power ac to the whole power. I think so whole power is left. What is the whole power? There is c plus a. There is c plus a is equals to, further we have to prove this, x to the power 2 bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Otherwise you can speak like x to the power twice of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Let us solve. Let us start with left hand side. What is our left hand side? Left hand side, x to the power a square plus b square upon x to the power ab to the whole power a plus b into x to the power b square plus c square upon x to the power bc to the whole power b plus c into within bracket x to the power c square plus a square upon x to the power ac to the whole power c plus a or a plus c. Both are same. So it is equals to, you can see now the say bases are same with the sign of division. So we already know if the bases are same with the sign of division, what we get, the power should be subtracted. So here we are x to the power a square plus b square and minus ab. So bracket here, and this is also bracket, that is your choice. This last power to the power a plus b. If you want to keep this in bracket, that is your choice, you can. The next one is also x to the whole power b square plus c square minus bc. Again we apply here same formula. When the bases are same with the sign of division, power should be subtracted into b plus c. So the last x to the power c square plus a square minus ac to the whole power bracket c plus a. Now students, see it carefully. This is also one identity, a square plus b square minus ab into a plus b. We know one formula, a cube plus b cube is equals to what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So you can see that a square plus b square minus ab into a plus b. So what it comes here? This is x to the power a cube plus b cube. Then there is sign of multiplication. If there is no sign, x to the power, this is b square c square minus bc into b plus c. So it comes out x to the power b cube plus c cube. And the last x to the power, this is c square a square minus ac into c plus a. So what comes here? C cube plus a cube. So students, see it carefully. Again we have all the bases are same with the sign of multiplication. Then we already know that if the bases are same with the sign of multiplication, power should be added. So x to the power a cube plus b cube plus here b cube plus c cube plus c cube plus a cube. So which further equals to, now you can see that a cube 2 times a cube. So x to the whole power 2 times a cube plus 2 times b cube plus 2 times c cube. See it, a cube 2a cube, b cube plus b cube 2b cube, c cube plus c cube 2c cube. So it further equals to x to the power 2 taken out common, and we are left within the bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube, which is equals to your right hand side. So therefore right hand side is equals to left hand side, hence proved. Students, this is your right hand side. You can see what we already proved, x square bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So students, this is all about your 2 questions which we solved, which I solved for you from your chapter exponent of real numbers. Now I attach you students with one worksheet. All the question based on your chapter exponents of real numbers. Try to solve all the questions at your home. Bye bye everybody.